Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear viewers and listeners. A very warm welcome for viewers at competitive exams preparation. That is general knowledge series. In these videos, we will cover 10 questions per video, and we will make as many videos as we can. So I would request you to subscribe our channel for latest updates and latest videos. Here we go. Question number one. What is Oslo? Oslo is the capital of Norway. Norway is a country which is situated in Europe, and actually in Western Europe. So, what it is famous for? Why Oslo is famous? Oslo is famous for awarding Nobel Prizes because all the Nobel Prizes which have been awarded to, we can take an example of our scientist Dr. Abdul Salam. He was awarded Nobel Prize in 1979. So these Nobel Prizes are awarded in Oslo, in Norway. When high tides occur, they occur when sun and moon are in a straight line but on opposite sides of the earth. This means that earth is in the center. The earth is revolving around the sun and moon is revolving around the earth. Remains at the straight line but on opposite sides of earth. Here I have an image for you to explain it for you. This is the earth that is in center. Here it is. Earth is in center. Sun and moon are on opposite sides of the earth, but they are in very straight line. You can see that. So this causes high tides. Our question number 3 is what is contour bunding, plowing? This is actually growing of trees that is called contour bunding. Contour bunding is used to prevent erosion in hilly areas. Hilly areas are more tended towards landsliding type things. So these are grown to prevent this hilly erosion. Here I have an image for your explanation. That is some type of hill like. So these trees are grown. Why they are grown? Or either they have automatically grown or they were intentionally grown. So there is a purpose behind this. They are used to prevent erosion. Next question. What is Jupiter? Jupiter is a planet with maximum number of moons. 16 moons are on Jupiter, as on the Earth there is only one moon. Number 5. What is Venus? Venus is also a planet. The brightest planet is called the Venus. The hottest planet is Venus. Actually, the PMS Provincial Management Service conducted papers this year 2017-2018, and in 2018 this question was asked in GK paper, that which planet is brightest and hottest planet. So these are very typical questions, but the brightest and hottest planet is Venus. Why Mercury is not hottest and brightest planet? I'll tell you. Carbon dioxide has the tendency to absorb heat, in which in turn increases the temperature. Mercury's atmosphere does not contain carbon dioxide, because of which all the heat is returned to the space. You might be thinking that Mercury is more nearer to the sun, then why Venus is hottest? Well, Venus is on the second number. Mercury is not hottest because carbon dioxide is not found in the atmosphere of Mercury. And if carbon dioxide is found on any planet, then because it has a tendency to absorb heat. So if there is no carbon dioxide, that is why Mercury is not hottest planet in the solar system. So Venus is the hottest planet because the carbon dioxide is found in its atmosphere. Where citrus fruits are grown? They are grown in Mediterranean region abundantly. That is Mediterranean region, that is in the north of Africa and south of Europe. There is Mediterranean Sea, and that white territory, that kind of territory is Mediterranean Sea, and this region, all region, whether it is in north or in south, is called the Mediterranean region. So what is the reason that citrus fruits are only grown in Mediterranean region? The reason is that Mediterranean climate is not extreme and is quite moderate for the growth of citrus fruits. Citrus fruits especially need sunshine for a fairly long time. Long summer of Mediterranean areas favors the growth of these fruits. What is the direction of Earth rotation? The direction might have heard about WWE, World Wrestling, or yes, that is World Wrestling Entertainment. World Wrestling Entertainment. Now I do have a concept for you. You can remember it from WWE. W and the second W means west and the last E means east. West to east. What is the largest sea in the world? Candidate must be vigilant while attempting this question. He didn't ask about the largest ocean. He is asking about largest sea. So South China Sea is the largest sea in the world. There are a lot of seas in the world. For example, South China Sea, Yellow Sea, Aral Sea, Caspian Sea, blah blah blah. So when we talk about the largest ocean, that is Pacific Ocean, and when we talk about largest sea, that is South China Sea. Listeners, I have decided that we will be covering names of 2 books in our each video because they are very necessary, and I think examiner asks in very question. I think examiner asks in paper about 1 or 2 books. Who wrote them? So, who wrote Jinnah of Pakistan? Stanley Walpert wrote Jinnah of Pakistan, and it was first published in May 3rd, 1984 by Oxford University Press. That is the first of its kind, and that is considered a first book on Jinnah. Who wrote, question number 10 is, who wrote War and Peace? Leo Tolstoy, 1867. In 1867, Leo Tolstoy wrote War and Peace. This question was also asked in PMS General Knowledge Paper Question 2018. Our video was consisting of 10 questions only, and I would like to have your suggestions in comments and what kind of improvements can be brought in this video series. I'll be very thankful of all the listeners and viewers, and that's all. Thank you very much. Keep visiting us.